Hey, welcome back to another video about our Careers courses. My name is Sophia and I'm a Special Projects Manager here with Careers. Today, I would like to introduce you to our Sales Engineering course. If this is your first video and you're not sure who we are, Careerist is an online career training platform pioneered by industry experts to maximize our students' hiring opportunities. That means our mission is to provide access to high-demand, high-paying careers in tech. The timestamps will be in the description, so if there's something in particular that interests you, or if you want to easily rewatch a certain section, feel free to use those. So, what is sales engineering? Well, before I jump into it, I want to start by saying this might sound a little intimidating at first, but just about anyone can do this job. And we want to provide you with the knowledge you need to crush the interview and get the role you want. So stick with me as I walk you through it. A sales engineer is a specialist focused on selling complex technology or scientifically advanced products. They will use their technical skills to explain the benefits of their product or services to potential customers, showing how they are better than their competitors. They're often the right-hand man or woman of an account representative, and they help close a sale from a technical perspective. It's important to have that balance because someone from IT, like a security or network administrator, might not even want to talk to a sales rep. They might say, hey, put on the line somebody who actually knows the product. They want to know what the product does, and they will get more value speaking to a sales engineer who is an expert of the product and can explain exactly what the product does from the technical standpoint. Basically, they know all the ins and outs of the product and technology, but they do not typically build the relationships at the beginning or end, and they aren't making the deals. That wasn't so bad, right? Now that we know what the job is, let's talk about some of the qualities and responsibilities of a sales engineer. Honestly, they aren't that difficult. If you have basic communication skills, a problem-solving mindset, general computer skills, and a desire or willingness to learn the ins and outs of a company's product, you should be golden. And even if you don't have all these skills, if you're willing to learn and be trained on them, you can do it. You'll also need to have complete knowledge of the product you're selling, so when you're applying and interviewing, make sure it's a product that you'll be able to learn and want to learn. Awesome, you've got the skills, but now you might be wondering, I don't want to be in the same job my whole life. So what are some of the career growth opportunities? There are a lot of different titles that fall under the sales engineering umbrella. For example, solutions engineer, technical sales engineer, and more, which I'll put on the screen somewhere around here. Sales engineering is also an easy way to get into tech without programming or coding skills, which a lot of people think they have to have. Here's the good news, you don't. Typically, the career growth path might look something like this, starting as an SDR, also known as Sales Development Representative, then transitioning to Sales Engineer, and from there, moving to Solutions Architect or Senior Sales Engineer. Now that we know what your career growth might look like, what are some of the benefits of getting into this career? Well, firstly, let's start with what you don't need. You don't need any specialized equipment, technical computer background, a degree in computer science, or coding skills. This makes the job have a low barrier to entry, which is a benefit in itself. According to Glassdoor, the average base salary for a sales engineer is about $110K, with the low end being in the upper 60s and the upper end being in the 160s. Sales is pretty easy to learn. As we just saw, it has great compensation, and there are plenty of sales engineering opportunities. There is room for career growth, so you can continue to learn and earn even more as you improve your skills. And there is great work-life balance because you can work remotely. Now, if all this sounds like something you want to pursue, I got good news for you. We offer a course led by industry experts with 8+ years of experience in their role who have worked all over reputable companies like Google, Meta, and more. We also provide convenient online sessions. Everything is remote these days, including these lessons. You can either watch our classes live and ask instructors questions directly, or you can view recorded lessons through our own learning dashboard, which will always be available to you even after you get hired. With this course, we offer internships with references. This means you will have experience in this job before actually applying and interviewing. And we offer one-on-one mentorship until you get a job. You'll have a personal mentor alongside you, helping build your resume, designing your LinkedIn profile, and even have mock interviews. Last but not least, assistance with job application submissions. We have built in-house software that will allow you to apply much faster than if you were to do it by yourself. It's essentially an extension which will help you filter out jobs you want to target, and it will automatically fill job applications for you with a click of a button. Now, if you feel like a sales engineering career is something you wish to challenge yourself with, the Careerist team welcomes you into our course. If you're ready to get started, follow the link in the description and sign up today, and take a look at our website, careerist.com. But if you have more questions or concerns, you can email us at advisors@careerist.com, or give us a call and we'd be happy to help you out. If you learned something you didn't know, hit that like button and subscribe. You can also turn on the bell so you always know when a new video is posted. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!